Exercise 12.2. Now let us see the very first question. A park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C equals to 90 degree, AB equals to 9 meter, BC equals to 12 meter, CD equals to 5 meter and AD equals to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So here in this question, it is given that there is a park of shape quadrilateral in which the measurement of AB is given 9 meter, measurement of AD is given 8 meter, measurement of BC is given 12 meter, while the measurement of DC is given 5 meter, and the measurement of this angle C is equals to 90 degree. So we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. Let us see how to find the area of this quadrilateral. To find the area of this quadrilateral, first of all we have to find the area of triangle ABD. Then we have to find the area of triangle BCD. After finding the area of both the triangles, then we have to add the area of both the triangles to get the area of quadrilateral. In triangle BCD, the measurement of side BC is given 12 meter, while the measurement of side DC is given 5 meter. So, on the basis of these two sides, we can find out the measurement of side BD. Let us see how to find the measurement of side BD. BD, in the solution we can write here, BD will be equals to under root 12 meter square plus 5 meter square. 12 meter square plus 5 meter whole square. Here we can write square of 12 will be 144 meter square plus 25 meter square. Here we can write 169 meter square, and finally we can write here 13 meter. The measurement of BD we got 13 meter. So here we can place 13 meter. After getting the measurement of this side BD, we can easily find the area of triangle ABD by using the Heron's formula, because the measurement of each sides are different. This is the scalene triangle. So we can find the area of this triangle by using the Heron's formula. In this triangle, since this is the right angle triangle, so we can use the formula area of triangle equals to 1 upon 2 into base into corresponding height. So first of all, I am going to find the area of triangle BCD. Here we can write area of triangle BCD. BCD is equals to 1 upon 2 into base into corresponding height. 1 upon 2 will be as it is multiplied by base. Base we can write 5 meter, while corresponding height we can write 12 meter. So finally we are having 30 meter square. 30 meter square is the area of triangle BCD. Now we can find the area of triangle ABD by using the Heron's formula. So first of all we can write the value of A, that is equals to 9 meter we can assign. Now value of B we can assign 8 meter, while value of C we can assign 13 meter. After that we have to find the semi-perimeter, that is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Value of A we can write here 9 meter plus 8 meter plus 13 meter divided by 2. Then 30 meter divided by 2, or we can say 15 meter. So the value of S is equals to 15 meter. After getting the value of S, now we can find the area of triangle BCD. So here we can write area of triangle BCD is equals to S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So the value of S is 15 meter. Now S minus A, 15 minus value of A is 9 meter. Now S minus B, 15 minus B means 8. S minus C means 15 minus 13. Here we can write 15 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. Now the product of all these will be equals to 1260, and the square root of 1260 is 35.5 meter square approximate. This is the approximate value of this one. If you have to find the square root of 1260 by using the division method, then you will get 35.5 meters square. Now, area of quadrilateral ABCD, area of quadrilateral equals to area of triangle ABD, means I have calculated 30 meters square, so we can write here 30 meters square plus area of triangle BCD, that is equals to 35.5 meters square, and the final value will be equals to 65.5 meter square. So this is the final solution of this question. Now let us see question number 3. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure. Find the total area of the paper used. So this is the picture made by Radha, and we have to find out the area of the paper used to make this aeroplane. This aeroplane is divided into 5 different parts. The very first part is a isosceles triangle. Second part is a rectangle. Third part is a trapezium. Fourth part is a triangle. Fifth part again triangle. So first of all, we have to find the area of each part. After finding the area of each part, then we have to add all the areas to get the total area of the paper used to make this aeroplane. So first of all, I am going to find the area of this isosceles triangle. Let us see the solution of this question. This is the isosceles triangle. Measurement of this side is 5. This will also be equals to 5. Measurement of this side is 1 centimeter. So this will also be equals to 1 centimeter. This equals to 5 centimeter. So first of all, we have to find the area of triangle 1 for triangle 1. We can use the Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. So here value of A we can write 5 centimeter. Value of B also we can write 5 centimeter. While value of C we can write 1 centimeter. After that we will find the value of semi-perimeter. That will be equals to 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. It will be equals to 11 upon 2. And finally we can say the value of S is equals to 5.5 centimeter. After getting the value of S, then we can find the area. Area of triangle will be equals to under root S, means 5.5. S minus A, 5.5 minus 5. S minus B, 5.5 minus 5 multiplied by S minus C also. 5.5 minus value of C we are having 1. After that we can write here 5.5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4.5. It will be equals to 6.18. After multiplying this one, the approximate value will be equals to 6.18. When we will find the square root of this number, then we will get approximate value 2.5 centimeter square. This is the approximate value of 6.18. So the area of first triangle we got 2.5 centimeter square. After that we have to find the area of this rectangle. For rectangle 2. For rectangle 2. Area of rectangle will be equals to length into breadth. As length is given 6.5 meters. 6.5 meters is the length. So we can write here 6.5 meter multiplied by breadth is given 1. So the area will be equals to 6.5 meter square. After finding the area of this rectangle, now we will find the area of fourth triangle and the fifth triangle. The area of both the triangles will be same because both are the identical triangle. So for triangle 5, for triangle 5, we can write here area of triangle equals to 1 upon 2 into base we can take 6 centimeter, while height we can take 1.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter square. Similarly, area of this triangle 4 will also be equals to 4.5 centimeter square. Hence, area of triangle 4 is also equals to 4.5 centimeter square. Now, at last we have to find the area of this trapezium. To find the area of this trapezium, first of all, we have to find the height of this trapezium. Because as we know, area of trapezium equals to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides. Measurement of parallel sides are given 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. But the distance between them is not given. So, here we can draw one line which is parallel to this one. The measurement of this one is 1, so this will also be equals to 1. Now, the total length of this is equals to 2. So, this will be equals to 1. Since the measurement of this one is 1, so this will also be equals to 1. Now, we got an equilateral triangle. In this equilateral triangle, we have to find the height of this equilateral triangle. So, first of all, we will find the area of this equilateral triangle. After finding the area, then we can find the height. So, suppose the name of this point I am taking A, name of this point I am taking B, while the name of this point I am taking C. Area of triangle, area of triangle ABC is equals to root 3 upon 4 into side square, or we can say 1.732 divided by 4. This is the area of this triangle. After getting the area, now we can find the height. Let us see. Again, we have to use the formula. Area of triangle ABC will be equals to, this time we will use the formula 1 upon 2 into base into corresponding height. Area of triangle, we are having 1.732 divided by 4 equals to 1 upon 2 into base, we are having 1. So we can write here 1 multiplied by height. So here we can write 2, and the value of h we can write 1.732 divided by 2. That will be equals to 0.9 approximately. We have to round off the number, whatever we get, and after that we are trying here 0.9. After that we will find the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equals to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides, means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 multiplied by distance between them 0.9. So here we can write 3 into 0.9 upon 2. Now again here we will take approximate value, that is equals to 1.4 centimeter square. After getting the area of all the part, now we have to integrate them, means we have to add all the areas together. So total area of the paper used, total area of the paper paper used will be equals to, we can write here. First of all, we have to write the first area, that is equals to 2.5 centimeter square. 2.5 centimeter square plus second one we have to write 6.5 meter square. Third value we can write 4.5 meter square. Fourth value is also 4.5 meter square. Plus, and the area of trapezium we are having 1.4 meter square. After adding these all, you will get 19.4 meter square. So, after adding all these, we will get 19.4 meter square. So, this is the complete solution of this question. Now, let us see question number 6. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Since the measurement of 2 sides are equal, hence we can say that each triangular cloth is an isosceles triangle. So here we have to use the formula of isosceles triangle, where base is equals to 20 centimeter. We can write here value of B is equals to 20 centimeter, while equal sides means A, the value of A is given 50 centimeter. After getting the value of A and B, now we have to find the area of triangle. So here we can use the formula. Area of triangle will be equals to 1 upon 2 into base into under root A square minus B square upon 4. Now we have to assign the value. Value of B we can assign here 20 centimeter, while the value of A we can assign here 50. Square is there, so we can put the square, minus B square upon 4 means 20 square upon 4. We can write here 10. So 10 multiplied by square of 50 will be 2500 minus 400 upon 4. So here we can write 100. Now 10 multiplied by 2500 minus 100 will be equals to 2400. Now here we can write 10 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 100 or equals to 10 will be as it is multiplied by, on the place of 24 we will write 4 into 6 multiplied by 100 under root. Now 10 into square root of 4 will be 2, square root of 100 will be 10 and under root 6. 200 and root 6. So the area of one triangular piece of cloth is equals to 200 and root 6. So here we can write cloth required for each color, area of cloth required for each color, required for each color will be equals to 5 multiplied by 200 root 6. Why we are multiplying with 5? Because there are 10 triangular pieces of 2 different colors. So the number of pieces of one color will be equals to 5. So 5 multiplied by 200 root 6, the result will be equals to 1000 and root 6. So this is the final answer, 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So this is the final solution of this question. Now let us see question number 9. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of a field. So this is a trapezium in which the measurement of parallel sides are given 10 meter and 25 meter, while the measurement of non-parallel sides are given 30 meter and 14 meter. So we have to find the area of this field. As we know, the area of trapezium is always equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides and multiplied by distance between them. So we are having the measurement of the parallel sides, but the distance between them is not given. So the very first thing is that we must find out the distance between the parallel side. So let us see how to find the distance between the parallel side. First of all, we have to do the construction in this figure. We have to draw a line parallel to AD. We have to draw a line parallel to AD. Suppose the name of this line is CE. Since this line is parallel to this one, hence this the measurement of both the sides will be equal. This is 13 meter, so this will be also equals to 13 meter. Now, the total length of AB is given 25 meter, and the measurement of this side is DC is given 10 meter. So this will also be equals to 10 meter. Since the measurement of AE is 10 meter, hence the measurement of EB will be equals to 25 meter minus 10 meter equals to 15 meter. We can write here 15 meter. So we got the measurement of all the three sides of triangle BCE. 13 meter, 15 meter and 14 meter. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. Since this is a slant triangle, so we have to find the area of this triangle by using the Heron's formula. So here let us see the solution. Value of A we can take 13 meter. Value of B we can take 14 meter, while the value of C we can take 15 meter. After getting the value of A, B and C, now first of all we have to find the semi-perimeter, means S. S is equals to 13 meter plus 14 meter plus 15 meter divided by 2. Now equals to 42 meter upon 2 equals to 21 meter. So the value of S is equals to 21 meter. After getting the value of S, now we have to find the area of triangle BCE. So we can write here area of triangle BCE will be equals to under root S minus A, S minus B into S minus C also. Now the value of S is 21. Now 21 minus A, 13 we can write here. 21 minus B, 14 we can write here. 21 minus C, 15 we can write here. Under root. Now we can write here 21 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6. 21 can be written as 7 into 3, while 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 7 will be as it is. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now after that, 7 into 7 we can write 7 here. 3 into 3 we can write 3 here. 2 into 2 we can write 2 here. 2 into 2 we can write 2 here. Finally we are having 84 meter square. So area of triangle BCE we have got 84 meter square. After getting the area of triangle BCE, then we have to draw a perpendicular on base BE. Suppose the name of this point is F. CF. Again we write here area of triangle BCE equals to 1 upon 2 into base into corresponding height. Area we are having 84 meter square equals to 1 upon 2 into base is given 15 meter. Height we have to find out. So 84 multiplied by 2 divided by 15 equals to H, and finally we can write here H will be equals to 11.2 meter. After getting the height, means distance between the parallel side, now we can find the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium will be equals to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides multiplied by distance between them. 1 upon 2 will be as it is. A plus B means 10 plus 25 we can write here. 10 plus 25 we can write here. Multiplied by distance between them means 11.2. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 11.2. After solving this one, we will get 196 meter square. So this is the final solution of this question.